Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing video of Axxis helmet. First experience. Let's see. First we will remove the invoice copy. Sometimes in case of exchange, we have to submit that invoice again. Then we have to safely open the box. Na? Now box open. Let's see. The packaging looks nice. It is purchased from the Power International. So it is in Bangalore. So let's see. Now we have a good packaging. It is packaging looks nice. Now finally it's time to reveal my new Axxis helmet. Let's see. Oh, nice. भाई बड़ा टाइट बांध रखा है. Oh, we can see now. It's very nice helmet. Let me open that surprise. Oh, oh, we can see that helmet. It's very nice. I haven't purchased any costlier helmet earlier, so for me it's a good purchase, I think. And fit and finish is awesome. So